Welcome to the Motus Video Zone. With your copy of the Motus K53 book and these easy-to-follow videos, you'll have a clearer understanding of how to pass your test with flying colors. In this lesson, we look at hand signals. This is something you can practice in a parked car before your test. But remember, when your instructor asks you to execute a hand signal, you must also use your direction indicators before executing the hand signal, then cancel them once the movement is complete. Also, be careful to find a safe opportunity to open the driver's window before executing a hand signal. On the day, you'll only be given 2 attempts and your signals must be given in good time and for long enough before returning your hand to the steering wheel prior to braking, gear selection, or steering. Okay, here we go. To execute a left turn hand signal, check your rear view mirror, then your blind spot to the left. Now turn on your left indicator lights and check your blind spot to the right. Extend right arm sidewards from shoulder, turn your forearm in a vertical and downward position from your elbow, and move it in a circular anti-clockwise motion. Then return your hand to the steering wheel. When proceeding with your left turn, check your rearview mirror, apply brakes or gear change as needed, check your blind spot to the left, then steer left into the appropriate lane. Now switch off your indicator lights. For a right-hand turn, check your rearview mirror. Then your blind spot to the right, switch on your right indicator light, then check blind spot to the right again. Now extend your right arm horizontally from the shoulder with the palm of hand facing forward. Place your hand back on the steering wheel. When proceeding with your right turn, check your rearview mirror, apply brakes or gear change as needed. Check your blind spot to the right and turn into the appropriate lane. Now, switch off your indicator lights. To signal stopping or reducing speed, check your rearview mirror, then your blind spot to the right, before extending your right arm outwards from your shoulder with your forearm bent upward and the palm of your hand to the front. Replace your hand on the wheel when you're done. And that's it. Remember, these videos are here to help you better understand all the steps outlined in your Motus K53 book. So keep practicing and stay alert, stay safe, and stay ahead with Motus. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more K53 tips, competitions, and exciting prizes.